The Seven Wonders. Bibo is reading a book about the natural wonders of the world. It feels almost as if I'm really there. First, he finds himself on the snowy peak of Mount Everest in Asia. It's the tallest mountain in the world. Then Bibo looks at Victoria Falls in Africa. Wow, the largest waterfall on Earth. Then Bibo looks at the Grand Canyon in Arizona. Beautiful. Suddenly, Bibo is in a submarine. He looks at the creatures of the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. Now, Bibo watches the Northern Lights. This is awesome! He looks up at the Paracutin volcano in Mexico. Amazing! Bibo looks at the harbor of Rio de Janeiro. So wonderful! He finally closes the book and says, "Some books really do make you feel like you were really there." A vegetable garden. Today, Bibo and his friends are visiting Aunt Bear's vegetable garden. They are very excited. "What are these, Aunt Bear?" asks Mino. "They are peas, Mino," replies Aunt Bear. "And these?" asks Sarah. "Cucumbers. They're very healthy for you," says Aunt Bear. "Oh, and what's this?" asks Polo excitedly. "That's a pumpkin. It's delicious," replies Aunt Bear. "Can we eat it right now, Aunt Bear?" asks Bibo eagerly. "They're not ripe yet, my dear," she replies. Bibo is feeling impatient. He can't wait to taste the pumpkin. "I'll just take one bite." He grabs a pumpkin and digs in with his teeth. Crack! "Oh, it's not ripe yet," he says. Bibo has broken his tooth. Aunt Bear chuckles and says, "Patience goes a long way, Bibo, but for now, I have a pumpkin pie in the kitchen for you." Bibo's birthday party. It's Bibo's birthday today. He's very excited. "Happy birthday to me," he says to himself. He has invited his best friends, Mino the monkey, Polo the pig, and Sarah the sheep to his birthday party. "Happy birthday, Bibo," they all say together as they hand him a gift. He carefully opens the gift. It's a toy car. Bibo loves it. He thanks his friends. Bibo's mom calls out, "Kids, it's time to cut the cake." Polo quickly runs towards the cake and eats the whole cake in one go. "Someone was hungry," Mom chuckles. No worries. Bibo's mom brings out another cake from the kitchen. Thanks to Mom, Bibo has a really happy birthday. Bibo's lovely family. Bibo the bear is getting ready to go to a big wedding. All of his family members are going too. There's Bibo's mom. She is short. Mom's really cuddly, says Bibo. Then there's Bibo's dad, who is tall. I have to jump high to hug Dad, says Bibo. There's Bibo's grandma. She is short and thin. And there's Bibo's grandpa. He is tall and round. There is also Bibo's very little brother, Baby Bear. He's tiny. Bibo's family members are all very different in shape and size. He loves each one of them very, very much.